honest in saying that working with you guys is like a breath of fresh air. Yes, we have worked with other agents in the past, and I would be absolutely honest in saying that working with you guys is like a breath of fresh air. It's more of a relational communication that's happens rather than yes, we'll get round to it, or you should be doing this. It's yeah, so it's a very personable and very relational.
Yeah.
But my whole business life has been on a handshake and relationships. And when I'm talking with you, I feel like I'm talking with a mate. And mates listen, and mates, do the right thing by you. So that's how I feel when communicating with you, Phil. The biggest benefit, just got to think about this for a minute. The biggest benefit of working with you has been the detail that has been placed in the communication that we receive back from you, whether it's a change of tenancy, or whether it's things that need to be looked at, ongoing maintenance. Yeah, that's been of a great benefit and peace of mind. In the past, I haven't had that information, and it's left me out on a limb sometimes when it actually things come around and need to being addressed. But your proactivity gives great peace of mind. Would I recommend Astute Realty to a friend? Yes, I would, wholeheartedly, and I have already.